In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how you can edit your videos with your iPhone like a pro. Like, I recently started using iPhone, and the last video I did on how you can protect yourself from being added to fraudulent Telegram activities, I'm going to add it in the description of this video. A lot of viewers pick interest on how I actually edit that, showing my screen like this by the side of the video. So today I want to show you how I did that, because I know that some of you here, they are also content creators, and to help you a long way. So hello and thank you so much for watching. I'm Ijaperigang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our videos, be it on online business, self-publishing, entrepreneurship, and a lot of how to even network marketing, latest opportunities that is around here in the country. So thank you so much. Without bothering too much, let's go to the practical aspect of this. Alright, we are in the practical aspect of the video. So here I will start sharing my screen with you, and the app that we are using for today's tutorial is Video Leap. So if you don't have Video Leap, here it is. You need to go and download it from your Apple store. So here I will tap on Video Leap. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on this plus sign. So sometimes if you open it, it will show advert. You just click on the X and remove the advert, because sometimes you think it's a paid, it must be paid, yes, but it's not must. Like, I'm still using the free features. By the time we become monetized, I'll upgrade to the paid version. But so many things I do right now, I do it with the free version of it. So I'll click on this plus sign. By the time I click on it, I'll now select the video I want, or I can just even tap this here so that I can go straight to the particular folder. So here, let me just pick one of my TikTok video. So I'm also on TikTok. If you want to see funny aspect of me, you can connect with me on TikTok. My name is Ijaperigang. So here I will just tap this particular video, and then I will tap add to project. So the video is here. So the moment I start playing the video, here it is. So if I said, like, from this point, if I want to edit, because most of my video, at least like 10 seconds, I used to leave it 10 to 15 seconds before I start talking. So all I will do is here, this arrow here, I will just drag it here. I reduce it. That means, and it's adjustable. You can always come back before you finish editing in case you over edited. So that is it. So that's one. Secondly, if I want to add more video, I can, maybe I do my video in segments. I want to add another and make another video. I'll tap on this plus sign again, and then come back here and then pick a particular video. So let's say I want to pick this screen recording and add to it. I'll click on, so I like this one, so I'll tap on the video, then I'll tap on this add to project. So I have two videos now. So as you can see, sometimes like this one now come before the other, so I can decide to just hold it and then take it back. So I can double cross it here and bring it to the other side. So you can always do that. You can switch it over. So you can even put the first one before the second one, before the third one. So that is it. Let's say as I'm talking from here, I just want to say click the subscribe button. So how do I get that subscribe button? With the Video Leap here, I will click on, okay, right here, I will click on this arrow so that it will take me back. Then I'll click on sticker and tap on sticker. Then here I will tap to bring out what I want. So because I automatically use it, that's why it's come up. So I'll just tap subscribe or any word that you want. It will bring different emoji or different images for you. So mostly I use this one, or you can use this one. So if I click on it, it will upload, and you have to be online before you can add stickers to it. If you're not online, you can't add stickers to your video. So with this, it's uploading. Like if it's 100% now, it will be up on my video. So here it is. So I can decide to see how long I want it to be. So I'll just tap this arrow and adjust it to how long I want it to be. I can equally decide where I want the video to be. So here it is. Click on subscribe button, so I can tap and bring it down to where I want it to be. So let's say I want to add text. Maybe as I'm talking, there's a place I want to say click on this, or if I'm doing some video on maybe I'm talking of hand sanitizer, because I did video on that also. If I'm writing the ingredients or anything I said, I'll just come here, tap on this text. I will tap on text, then the text is here. So I'll just double tap this and then start. Let me say, maybe I say hotspot. All right, I'll click on okay. So here it is. I can adjust it to where I want it to be, and at the same time I can decide to adjust the length. So I can tap here, sorry, I can tap here the text, so that I'll just tap this. Where is that my arrow? Okay, here I'll tap this edge and adjust it. Depends on how long I want the hotspot to show. So here I don't want it too long. Here is it. It's still long. All right, here is okay. So let's say as I'm talking, I want to say, as you are watching my video, click on the subscribe button, or like I did. The reason why I'm doing this video, I did a video on how to protect yourself from being added on Telegram. As I will say, Telegram or any video I do, if I do that, for the video to appear, how do you do that? You come here. Okay, I'll click on this arrow to go back a bit, and then tap on mixer. By the time I click on mixer, I will come here and then pick a particular image. Maybe let me go to my live photos and then maybe pick a particular photo. Let me pick this, my beautiful photo. So let's say this is the custom thumbnail or the particular video I'm talking about. So here is it. So I can adjust it actually. So when I watch the video, I'm just so happy like this. That's where I will just take the video, the picture to be. So that is how to do that. And even again with your text, again, there's a lot of things you can actually do with your text. Even the text, you can change the color, you can change the font of the, you can change the font, you can change the color of your text, you can change the size, and so do so many things. There are actually a lot of things you can do with video lip. So let's say for instance I'm done. Okay, here's my arrow. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on export, and then I'll export my video. So if you're finding this video helpful, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our video. And again, if you have any question, you can ask. So here it is, my video is done. I'll just tap on this export and I'll export my video immediately and everything will be done.